In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove a person or an object from your picture on your phone without installing any application, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if you want to remove an object or a person from your picture, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search bar and in the search bar type object remover, click on search. Now click on this first link, the in paint, scroll down and click on this upload image option. Now upload the photo from which you want to remove the person or the object. Once you have uploaded the image, all you have to do is to select the person or the object that you want to remove. Perfectly select the object or the person. Once you have done that, all you have to do is to click on this erase option. Now wait for a few moments and that's it. As you can see that the person has been perfectly removed from your picture. In this way, you can remove an object or a person from your photos without installing any application. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.